If you've ever wanted to take your dart battles to a whole new level, 2025 is shaping up to be the year to upgrade your arsenal. XShot Blasters are no longer just simple foam dart toys. They've evolved into high-powered, precision-packed machines that combine style, speed, and accuracy. We tested some of the top models in real-world conditions to see which ones truly stand out. Here's what we found. First up, we have the XShot Pro Motorized Piston Pump, which instantly grabs attention with its motorized firing mechanism and ergonomic design. This blaster is packed with 40 air pocket technology darts, which are engineered to fly faster and more accurately than traditional foam darts. When we took it out for testing, the performance was impressive. Unlike manual pump action blasters, the motorized piston allows you to fire multiple darts in rapid succession without tiring out your arm. Whether you're setting up a one-on-one duel in the backyard or trying to dominate a group skirmish, the blaster handles smoothly and feels perfectly balanced in your hands. The build quality deserves a mention as well. It feels solid, yet lightweight enough to carry around for extended play. The hand grip is designed for comfort, so even after repeated rounds, your hands don't cramp up. Reloading is straightforward and the darts themselves are soft yet resilient, meaning they stick the landing without damaging surfaces indoors. In short, the XShot Pro Motorized Piston Pump is ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, high-performance blaster with the thrill of rapid-fire action. Next, we have the XShot Skins Pro Series Fury X. This blaster blends eye-catching aesthetics with exceptional performance. Like the Pro Piston, it comes with 40 air pocket technology darts that fly smoothly and maintain consistent speed. What stood out during real-world testing was the overall ergonomics. The Fury X is extremely comfortable to hold, with a grip that feels natural during prolonged use. The blaster's trigger is responsive and smooth, so you can fire dart after dart without any hiccups. While testing it in outdoor conditions, the darts maintained excellent distance, and even when hitting targets at an angle, they stuck without bouncing off. This blaster is perfect for players who value both looks and function. Its lightweight design makes it portable, and the rapid-fire capability ensures you stay competitive in any battle. If you're looking for a blaster that combines style, reliability, and fun, the Fury X is a solid choice. This powerhouse blaster takes playtime to the next level, with non-stop action and incredible firepower. Equipped with a fully motorized system, it delivers rapid-fire blasting that keeps the fun going. With 72 darts included, you'll never run out of ammo when the battle heats up. Each dart is powered by air pocket technology, designed for superior accuracy, speed, and distance. The Ragefire also features an auto-feeding dart belt that ensures smooth, continuous blasting. No need to stop and reload every few seconds. Built for convenience, this blaster comes with dart storage so your ammo is always within reach. The adjustable tripod gives you steady shots for maximum control, while the scope helps you zero in on your target with precision. For players who want something a bit more stylish, but still highly functional, the XShot Skins Pro Series 1 Anime Longshot is perfect. With 40 air pocket technology darts and built-in dart storage, this blaster combines aesthetics with practicality. When testing it indoors and outdoors, the darts flew with impressive consistency, and the storage compartment meant quick reloads without fumbling for loose darts. The blaster feels solid in your hands, with a balanced weight distribution that makes rapid movements easy and natural. It's a fun blaster for casual battles with friends, or even solo target practice. The Anime Longshot stands out not just for performance, but also for its vibrant design, making it an eye-catching addition to your collection. Its grip is comfortable, and even after extended play, you don't feel fatigue. Perfect for long battles that can last hours. Now let's talk about the XShot Insanity Motorized Clip Mania. This one is for serious players. If you've ever dreamed of having a mini artillery setup in foam dart form, this is it. It comes with 48 air pocket technology darts, an auto-feeding belt, a tripod for stability, and a built-in scope for aiming. During our testing, the experience was like playing in a real-life action game. You can set up the tripod, lock in your target, and fire continuously without worrying about manually reloading every few seconds. The auto-feeding belt keeps the darts coming at a steady pace, making it ideal for competitive matches where every second counts. The tripod also adds a strategic advantage, giving you precision and steadiness while aiming at long-range targets. We found it extremely fun for team-based battles, as one player could cover an area while others flanked from different positions. While it's slightly bulkier than other blasters, the sheer firepower and continuous firing make it worth the extra weight. So there you have it, our deep dive into the best XShot blasters of 2025. So grab your favorite, set up your arena, and prepare for some epic foam dart action.